A very good day to everyone. This is Malik here for Tech. Welcome to my channel, and thank you for dropping by to watch this video. Right now, I've already started working from home officially due to the COVID-19 virus spread in Singapore. So the Singapore government have announced the so-called circuit breaker period for next 1 month, starting from today, 7th April till 4th May. So during this period, non-essential service will not be available. However, essential services such as market, bank, clinic, and hospitals will still operate as normal. But for those who are in the office environment and students will have to either work from home or do their home-based learning. So during this period, we will heavily rely on laptops and PCs. So in such event, you might need a headset, which you will be using for your conference and online learning. So I'm going to talk about one headset that might be useful to you. So the headset is from Logitech. Logitech is actually from a Swiss company, right? And this provides digital stereo sound, noise cancelling mic, inline control, and padded comfort. I got this from Challenger yesterday itself, which I needed for my teleconference as well as my son's online home-based learning. So I'm going to try this headset right now, and I'm going to feedback to you how does it feel, how is it like, and so on. To let you know, this is the so-called the bestseller in Amazon. So definitely, I hope this won't disappoint. Let me do the unpacking of this and try it on myself on my computer, whether to purchase or not. So let's try, guys. So unpacking should be straightforward, right? I'm going to unpack this now. So you can see inside they have given you the instructions on how to connect to your USB device on your PC or the laptop. So what do we get inside the pack itself is the warranty information pamphlet. Okay, and then let's take a look at this device itself. So it is lightweight, and there's a cushion on top itself which will be worn over your head, and the ear cap is cushioned as well. It's made of plastic, and you can see the logo Logi, and this is the headset. The mic set is inside here, and the cable itself. So volume controller, up and down, up, down, and there's a clipper here, so you can actually clip it to your shirt, and the cable itself. So the cable itself is about 1 meter. Okay, so let me try wearing it over my head and connect it to my laptop to hear how does it sound. On the headset itself, they have indicated the right side and the left. Okay, let me do the wearing of this headset on myself. So it is not that heavy and not too tight as well. It sits comfortably on my head, and the ear cap is fully covered over my ear itself, and I don't feel any kind of looseness. that means it's shaky or what. So the mic itself is perfect, not too long, not too short. It's just nice, and I find it quite comfortable. So far so good. I don't feel any kind of a sharp object or something that's hurting over my head. Yeah. So how does it look in terms of the outlook itself? Is it nice? So aesthetic look wise, this looks good, and I'm going to test it out on my laptop. How does the audio sounds like? Yeah, let me try it now. Okay guys, I've plugged on to the laptop, and the connection is quite straightforward. Just plug in and play, that's it. So there isn't a requirement for you to install any special drivers. So you can see I have plugged in the volume controller itself here, inline controller. So I'm able to control the plus and minus, and you can see here there's it's called a red color LED light here, meaning to say that I have plugged in this device onto the PC itself. When we talk about the audio quality, it's okay, not so bassy, so it's good for normal video watching. It's very audible, and there's no too much of bass, and it does its job well for its price range. So I'm really liking it a lot due to the comfortness, and I definitely recommend this headset to all of you out there. So let me leave you the links to purchase the headset from the online store itself. So you can try it out. It worth for the money itself, because you're getting 2-year warranty, and it's below around $60 plus or below. You can get it from Lazada, Shopee, and Amazon itself. So if you like this video on my review, please do thumbs up and share it out with your friends.